Lava Network Magma reward. You will get rewards from using your Exacting wallet while using their RPC. It's a modular layer concept almost similar to Celestia and Dymension. While Celestia is for data availability and Dymension is for the settlement and constants, Lava is for data access. They recently raised $15 million in a seeding funding round. The Magma Point program lets you collect points for just using your wallet as it is, but using their RPC URL. These points might later be converted to their native Lava token. Here is how to do it. Sign up through the link I give you into the description. Connect your wallet and complete social tasks. Go to the Get Points section, copy the RPC URL and add it to your wallet. Now use your wallet like you do regularly and you will collect points while doing so. Currently there are options for wallets such as Near, Ethereum, Axelar, Evmos and Starknet. In short, you receive unique RPC link after sign up. You must add the network to your wallet and use these RPC links. I have added the Ethereum RPC to my MetaMask wallet. And that's it. Now you use your wallet as usual and you will accumulate points along the way with a high chance of them being converted into their native tokens. The project is promising, so you may want to give a try. Don't forget to like, share our video and subscribe our channel.